So today morning I was just sitting and I got a package from Amazon and I thought maybe some relative of mine had sent it. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing that mystery package, and really I also don't know what is inside that package. So yeah, let's begin with the video. So here I have a Sony MDR XBR450AP headphones with extra bass, and if you see on the package on the side it's a bit spoiled, but anyways, let's see the back things. So we have a picture of the headphone and we have some more stuff like that, and it's like all in Chinese, so if you can read Chinese, and on the top there is also some English, but we're not going to read it right now. And you can see it has a hands-free feature, that is a calling feature that you can it has a speaker, a microphone inbuilt, so that is another great thing. And here you can see there is a 1-year warranty, and this is an important thing because most people throw this away, but this is important, so I suggest you keep it. And this is the 1-year warranty. Now let's go ahead and open this package. Here you can see the box, and it's just the same, we've already seen it with packaging, but from here it is a bit wrong in the damage, but it doesn't matter much. So let's move on and go ahead and open this package. Inside the main box we get a black box, and you can see it's completely black and nothing else on it. And let's go ahead and open this thing up. So here you can see in the box, you can see the headphones shining pretty brightly, and this looks amazing. You know, just the design, it looks amazing. Now let's see what is in the box. So first we have this kind of a manual or something. Yeah, this is a manual, and it's written Sony, so again it's going to be in Chinese, I think, and some of it is going to be in English. So if you can read it, just go ahead and read it, and pause the video right now and read the whole thing. So yeah, you can read it right now. Now let's see the main attraction, which is the headphones. And you get a cable with it, so, and the cable is in plastic. So before taking out the headset, we're going to be taking out the cable. So here's the cable. Now let's take out the headphone. So this looks pretty nice, just according to its build quality, it's an amazing one. And you can see here that it has got a kind of a metal finish on it, right over if you see on these headphones. And there is a Sony branding here, as you can see. This is a very nice finish plus a Sony branding. And now the ear muffs are also amazing. They are pretty soft, but one thing about the headset is that it has got no cushion, so that's gonna hurt your head a bit. But otherwise this looks pretty nice, and I'm not doing a review here, it's just an unboxing, so I'm going to be telling you the review in some days after using this thing. So overall it looks pretty nice, but that we're going to see after using it how nice it is. So it has got the cable here. Let's cut the package open. Let's see the quality of the cable and how it's built on. So the cable looks pretty nice with an L-shaped 3.5mm jack, And the cable here, if you see it, 3.5mm jack, and the cable looks pretty nice in quality. You know, I haven't seen a lot of these cables in here, but this is a pretty nice quality. So that's it for the unboxing, guys. We're going to be having the review in some days. That is it for this one. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button and do subscribe to the channel just subscribe to the channel and become a part of this channel. So that's it for this video. Bye bye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. To subscribe to my channel, click on my face right now and hit the bell icon also, and click on the left to see my last video and click on the right to see another video.